Okay, today's topic we are going to talk about reactivation campaign, or some of the agent call it like reconnecting lah. Okay, so first to enroll them into these reactivation follow-up action plans. Okay, come here for the stage, just choose outbound. In the tag, choose reactivation. Okay, so once you choose these two already, click apply. Okay, my system will recognize these two things, stage outbound and the tag is reactivation. It will straight away enroll this person into the reactivation follow-up action plans. Okay, and then they will receive the first message. Okay, next let's look at the messages. Okay, so based on statistic, you need 6 touches, okay, to reconnect with them. Okay, the 6 touches has been spread across day 1, day 3 and day 5. Each day there are 2 messages. Okay, so let's take a look at the first message. Okay, hi, it's been a while, hope you're doing well. Are you still considering any real estate plans? Okay, and then 2 hours later, okay, hey, just confirming, is this still the best number to reach you at? Okay, day 3. Okay, hi, just checking in to see if you received my previous messages. If you're thinking about buy or sell, Then after that, follow-up messages. Okay. Day 5. It's been a pleasure connecting with you over the past few days. Then follow-up messages. Okay. So same thing. As long as they reply, the system will stop for 2 days. Okay. And if you don't want them to receive, like let's say on day 1, they probably have a negative or positive response, either way, if you don't want them to receive any more messages to be in this action plan anymore, okay, same thing, change the stage to the respective stages, okay, and then they will be out of that action plan. So for example, if this person you have managed to fix an appointment, you just click appointment fix, or this person is unqualified, trash, you can do so. Okay, we have come to the end of this automation. There will be more coming up. Okay, so stay tuned as we are adding in and building more features and very fast. And once we have more features, we will update you accordingly. Okay, thank you and stay tuned, as I always said.